I was a blackbird, I'd whistle and sing. I'd follow the ship that my true love sailed in, and on the top rigging I'd there build my nest. I'd pillow my head on my young lover's chest. I am a young maiden, my story is sad, for once I was courted by a brave sailor lad. He courted me truly by night and by day, and now he has left me and gone far away. He promised to take me to Donnybrook Fair, to buy me red ribbons to tie in my hair, and I know that someday he'll come back o'er the tide. He'll take me and make me his own loving bride. If I was a scholar, could handle a pen, one secret letter to my true love I send. I tell him my misfortune, my sad reason why. If I had wings I could die, to my true love I'd fly. If I was a blackbird, I'd whistle and sing. I'd follow the ship that my true love sailed in, and on the top rigging I there build my nest.